Hi guys. So I don't know if I'm supposed to introduce myself or not, but my name is Kyler Boucher. Um, okay, yeah, I think that's good enough of an introduction. Sorry. So the one that I did, I'm gonna open it up. I do want to apologize for the amount of windows I have open. I will be deleting a bunch of them after this. If you do want to judge me or cast comments on all the open windows, you're more than welcome to. So yeah, those are a million windows. But anyways, so I did mine off of the CrossFit Games website. As you can see, there are. This one is on the teams. Sorry, teams. So you have Team CrossFit Mayhem, Team Invictus, and if you click on them, you can actually, like, let's look at this one right here. You can actually see. There we go. Yeah. You can actually be able to go more into depth on everything. You get to see all the teammates, and you can actually, by clicking the profile, be able to see um, each of the teammates' names, what they rank, what their lifts are, and that's what I. Oh, come on. There we go. That's what I did here. I added the college one because, in all honesty, I probably shouldn't have added the college one. That was more of a nervous mistake. Uh, but yeah, you got to see the teams, the positions, where they were at, their lifts, as in their strengths, what they're able to move, and then the brands that they work with. I thought that this was a pretty easy one to go to, but at the same time, I probably could have chosen something a little bit easier, like college basketball or something. It's just where my mind went to at the very beginning. But yeah, I do want to say this was, I don't want to say easier than I thought, but it was better than I thought it would be. Um, no, that's about it. Yeah, hope you all have a good day or good night.